Hello everyone, my greetings to all of you. Welcome to the world of Unacademy. I am Rishi Bhargava and today I am going to discuss few tricks on basic counting, right? Before that, all of you know Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, right? And we are really blessed at Unacademy because we have the widest choice of educators, flexibility to change courses, unlimited views, right? Similarly, you understand that we have got amazing results as well. All of you know, right? And then see the educators that we have in UPSC field, one of the best names you can ever find. These are the people, those who are outstanding in the field of UPSC training. Dear all, please, you can actually subscribe Plus and Iconic courses. There is a code given to you. With this code, you would actually get 10% off as well. Similarly, there is a combo subscription available for Plus and Iconic. You can use the same code YTUPSC and you would get 10% discount on it. Then guys, we have brought optional subscription as well. So there is a great difference. See, there is a 10% discount on offer on Unacademy optional subscription as well. And then you can actually get 20 UPSC CSE preparatory books just for 9,900 rupees. It is actually a very well made comprehensive material. It covers each and every topic. And we have recently launched a batch, UPSC CSE batches, right? And you know the faces, please come and join. And see, if you want EMI option, all you need to do is call up on this number and there would be easy EMI options available to you for the subscription courses. So myself Rishi Bhargava. So I have expertise in training students for CSAT. I have been training them since the inception of this paper, right? And today we are going to discuss before that, kindly join us on a Telegram channel, IAS Icons 1. You can follow the community, Bhargava Rish. Clear? And today, see the topic, I would always say, CSAT has to be check the CSAT so that, we can clear it easily. We are motivated to clear it. And today I'm going to talk about basic counting. Going to give you a beautiful trick on basic counting, and we are going to analyze that what exactly is being asked in UPSC. There are a lot of questions they have asked in UPSC, so we'll talk about that as well. Right now, first of all, whenever consecutive numbers are given, you understand what are consecutive numbers, right? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on till 85. So I may ask you how many numbers I have written. So in case of consecutive numbers, right, we need to know how many numbers we have written, and generally there is a misconception that difference between the extreme. No, the number of numbers that I have written would actually be difference of the extremes, 85 minus 15 plus 1. Many of the mathematical students may say this is an AP. I understand this is an AP, arithmetic progression. But why do you need to apply a formula? I say whenever you are given consecutive numbers, number of numbers would actually be subtraction of the extremes plus 1, which means this comes out to be, guys, 85 minus 15 comes out to be 70 plus 1, 71 numbers. 71 numbers. Alright, so we have written 71 numbers, and this is only true for consecutive numbers. Sir, one more example. I say if I write numbers from 100, 101, 102 till 999, how many numbers have I written? How many numbers have I written? It is 999 minus 100 plus 1. So I have written 900 numbers. These are 900 numbers. Alright, this is really important for people with the phobic in mathematics. This is what you guys say where after joining the courses, after seeing the videos. I don't think there is phobia that's going to be there anymore. So I hope this is a simple concept and I hope this is clear to all of you. And I'm giving you time to write. So please take a good time and write. This is for consecutive numbers, right? Now, what exactly I mean to do when I say, when I say we are going to discuss counting. When I saw this question, I was really impressed. In UPSC, they gave a question, right? They said that when we write all the numbers from 1 to 999, how many times we write 5? So you are writing all the numbers from 1 to 999. So how many times you have written 5? That's really a good question. I would say this is a real good question, right? Now, most of you may fumble on this. Most of you who haven't done basic counting would fumble on this, right? So I am giving you basic counting. See, if I write number from 1 to 10, how many times 5 is written? One time. From or 1 to 9, you say, if I write number from 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 is written one time. But if I say 1 to 99, how many times 5 is written? So please pay attention. It is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. And most of us stop over here, which is wrong. Why? Because come on guys, this is a basic logic, right? If you are saying 50, so don't you think 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. Now I can see how many 5s are written. So this is where UPSC is amazing. So now you realize how many 5s are written. So how many 5s are written? So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you are writing a number from 1 to 99, it is written 20 times. 5 is written 20 times. Now we are able to make a concept, we can make a shortcut also. So if you say, can I say, listen, it's like an increasing sequence. So from 1 to 999, if you are intelligent, it started with 1 and then 20, then it would be 3. See, 1, 2, 3. And here 1 0 was produced. Now here 2 zeros are produced. So from 1 to 999, 300 times. Wow, that's a great trick now, right? They say that tricks are not required. I say the tricks work. Most of our students have done this and they were like able to do it just in an instance because they know this has been done in the classes, right? So let's see. So can we make a kind of a sequence? I hope you will like it as well. So for example, I say I'll write this trick again. From 1 to 9, 5 is written one time. From 1 to 99, 5 is written 20 times. From 1 to 999, 5 is written 300 times. And from 1 to 9999, 5 would be written 4000 times. I hope now you understand the sequence. You are just adding 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep on adding the zeros. Keep on adding the zeros. So this is a great result which has directly come in the paper. But then they also realize that you know the trick. Kindly note down the trick. You won't find it in any booklet otherwise. This is a great trick. You would love it as well, isn't it? But then I know, and you also know, they will go one step further. One step further. That is what, most of the exams like UPSC or CAT or XAT or GMAT, they will test you at one more level, isn't it? So let's see the one more level. So this is what I found somewhere, and this is something amazing. He says, while writing all the numbers from 1 to 499, how many times 3 was written? From writing all the numbers from 1 to 499, how many times 3 was written? Now see, they know that you actually know the trick. They are aware of it, that you are aware of the trick. So once you are aware of the trick, they would go beyond whatever you are aware of, isn't it? So now they are not going till 999, they are just going till 499. So how many times now 3 is written, right? So we know very well that from 1 to 99, 3 is written 20 times. 3 is written 20 times. And if I talk about 100 to 199, obviously, listen, it's same case as 1 to 99 and 100 to 199, it would be 20 times only. Obviously, listen, you just need to understand this, that if I start writing 100, 101, 102, 103, so I'm getting 3 over here, 113, 123, 133, here is an extra 3, and then 130, 131, 132, 134, 135, and so on. So it's the same case as 1 to 99. It is not a different case. Similarly, if you say 200 to 299, again I would say 20 times. Again I would say 20 times, right? And then comes 300 to 399. Again you may think 20 times, but I would say wait, there is a big issue. Yes, this 20 would remain, this 20 would be there, but what about this now? From 300 to 301 to 302 to 303 to 304 till 398 and 399, these are the 3s that have occurred at the 100th place, which were not occurring over here. They were not occurring over here. So now there is an extra, there are extra 3s from 300 to 399. So how many 3s are there, guys? So you remember again that consecutive number. How many numbers are these? Sir, from 300, 301 to 399, number of numbers are 399 minus 300 plus 1, which means 100 numbers. These are 100 numbers, and each number has 3 at the 100th place. Each number has 3 at the 100th place. So obviously there would be 100 more 3s. There would be 100 more 3s. I hope now you understand that tricks are required, but they can go beyond a trick, isn't it? Similarly, then we have to see 400 to 499. From 400 to 499, again 20 times. And this is now only thing we need to do is we just need to add 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 100 plus 100 is 200 times. So please be aware of, beware of this concept that, tricks are working, but you have to understand that, again, I'm writing the trick. It was working for this concept 1 to 9, 3 or see 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It occurs 1 times, right? It occurs 1 times. Everyone knows 1 to 99, it occurs 20 times. 1 to 999, it occurs 300 times. So most of you know this as a trick. So if it is going till 499, most of you would say, sir, it is 300 upon 2, 150. And option number 1 would actually be 150. You understand? They also know that you can make these kind of mistakes. So if you are making these kind of mistakes, they are also very well aware of it, right? So they may put a very different type of a question. I hope now you have understood that trick involves certain parameters which you should always be aware of, right? And if the parameters are not met, the trick does not stand there. Then please don't make your own trick, isn't it? Rather do fundamental counting. Now counting is really important, right? Counting is really important. There are two type of things. So I hope first you have written this. Kindly write it properly, guys. Come on. What are we doing? We are just counting. So it has nothing to do with, sir, total mathematical concept. No, this is not at all a total mathematical concept. This is a simple reasoning concept, right? So for example, I may think of this now. Please pay attention, right? I type all the numbers from 1 to 99, from 1 to 99 on my computer. So how many times I have pressed the computer keys? Now same question has come in UPSC but with different values. So I'm going to talk about that also, but I just wanted to have an easy thing. Now try to understand how many times I have pressed the computer keys. So when I type one time, 2, and I'm not pressing commas, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many times I have pressed the key? 9 times. How many times I have pressed the key? 9 times. But as soon as 10 comes, I have pressed the key 2 times. 11, 2 times. So this is something that you should be aware of, isn't it? Something you should be aware of, that as 2-digit numbers come, you are pressing the key 2 times. That is what they want to see in you, right? That is why these questions are framed. Now tell me, where is maths in this? I haven't done this kind of maths in 11th class, 12th class, graduation, post-graduation, right? No, it is not there. This is basic simple logic, isn't it? So can I write, see, from 10 to 99, how many numbers are these? 99 minus 10 plus 1, 90 numbers. These are 90 numbers, right? So how many times did I press the key, sir? Every number is a 2-digit number. 90 into 2, 180 times. I have pressed the key from typing numbers from 10 to 99, and 9 more times I have pressed the key from typing numbers from 1 to 9. So I'm writing from 1 to 9 I have pressed the key 9 times, and from 10 to 99 I have pressed the key 180 times. So total number of keys I have pressed is 189 times. I have pressed the keys. See how beautiful it is. And same type, see, it is not my question. I framed a question so that I can explain it to you easily, but they have also given the same question in UPSC, so I'm going to talk about it. First of all, kindly make a note of this, guys. Come on. I hope you are enjoying these classes. See, I sincerely believe in simplicity, right? So I am going to give you very simplified results. These are all simple counting techniques. And in every paper, you pick up every paper, you would realize 1 or 2 questions would actually involve these calculation techniques, right? So let's talk about UPSC question. So in UPSC, he said, so I type numbers from 1 to 149 149, how many times have I pressed computer keys? How many times have I pressed computer keys? Question is same. I was going till 99, he is going till 149. So let's see, 1 to 9, guys, 9 times. We have already done. And then 10 to 99, 90 numbers, each number 2 times we press, 189 times the key is being pressed. And then from 100 to 149, again, how many numbers are these, guys? From 100 to 149, it is 149 minus 100 plus 1, which is 50 numbers. These are 50 numbers. So 50 numbers and each number is having 3 digits. 150 times the key is being pressed. The key is being pressed. And if you add up, 150 plus 150 is 300 plus 30 is 330 plus 9 is 339 times. Right. I hope that this is a kind of enlightenment for all of you. It does not involve any big calculation. It just involves basic logic. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you understand the question and solve the question, and do not always look for tricks. And remember, there is a standard format for a trick. If the standard format is not met, the trick has no use. All right, please come join the classes. These are only 2 things that we have discussed. Counting, we would be discussing more about counting. So I have good number of questions on counting, and we would discuss it with you, and hopefully create something that you remember for a long time, not only for CSAT but otherwise also. I think it is really good for your IQ development as well, right, guys? And at the end, I would love to introduce few more things from Unacademy, guys. So we have launched UPSC CSE Mains Test Series 2023. So you can easily subscribe for this. The details are given on the screen. You can look at the details. Also, if you want to score above 325 in your mains exams, and the subjects are anthropology, public administration, geography and mathematics, please come and join these subjects on Unacademy platform, right? Then on 2nd of October, UPSC CSE GS Combat History Special, you would get 50% scholarship. So please come and join it, guys. Also available is something really amazing, Doubt Browser, right? This is a feature which you can explore. Go to the Doubt Browser and solution section of the Unacademy app, click the past exams and previous exams, browse through the available solutions, guys. With that, all I want to say is thank you so much, and it's always pleasure to discuss certain important topics, and I hope that I have added some value to your knowledge. Please, I would be looking for your comments and definitely your suggestions as well. Till that time, my greetings to all of you. I hope you are safe and healthy. Jai Hind.